Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we learn particle text disintegration effect in Adobe After Effects. First, create a new composition. Create a text and align a text. Precoms this text. Duplicate this precoms. Precoms one more time. Apply CC particle system on text particle. And velocity and gravity 0. Increase the radius y15 and radius x4. Animate the position so at the first frame. Giving to the 1920 and set a keyframe, and after 6 seconds make a position 0. Then enable particle source alpha inheritance. Fist change the animation type to direction, increase the velocity like a 0.5 now. Change the direction 90 degrees. And decrease the extra all the way down to 0. Also give it some negative gravity to simulate the wind. Now let's create a new white solid. Add a linear wipe effect to it. Change the wipe angle to negotiate 90 degrees. And animate the transition 0% and after 6 seconds 100%. Now let's use this white solid as a luma matte for the text. Also feather the transition to 50. And change the particles color white and black. And it's done.